All right, guys, our 24 Mustangs are here. Find out what we have: a GT and a Dark Horse. Let's go. Mach 1 Mustang can be yours. Go to on3supply.com. Every $1 you spend is an entry, and if you enter now for our bonus entries, which are 100, you get, our chances are higher than there'll ever be this entire giveaway. It's our shortest giveaway ever. You're not waiting months. So enter now on 3supply.com and win this piece of history, guys. Look at this. So pretty, so gorgeous. Real fastback, 69. Grab some merch, new merch on the site. You can win this car. So hey, you can get the newest school and spend like 80K or spend $1 on 3supply.com and get entered to win this beast. All right, on to the video. Good luck. Today's the day we're taking delivery of our personal 2024 Mustang. I'd like you to meet Papa Smurf. Here it is, guys. We are in the great state of Kentucky here with my first ever Grabber Blue 2024 Mustang. Time flies. Just a year ago, we were able to be in Detroit for the reveal of this beautiful 24 S650 Mustang, and now we're taking delivery of it. Crazy turn of events. Yes, we drove all the way from New Jersey to Kentucky to take delivery because our cars you ordered just are not, they're on delay and haven't been able to be delivered yet. But thanks to a subscriber, we were able to get this one. We drove here 9 hours, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna break it in and head right to the drag strip. Let me turn the camera around and show you what we got. Grabber Blue, first time ever on the channel, a Grabber Blue Mustang, kid in the candy store. I love it. And finally, you know, the media cars, and thank you to Ford for letting us drive them. But when it's your personal baby, we just signed the paperwork. It's a whole new vibe. We're gonna do so much with this car. So many mods I have in store for it. But let's take a look with, let's start it up. Let's got a little remote start here. Active exhaust. That's pretty good. So take a look. What you notice here too is, this has the old school performance pack wheels that Mamba had, kind of painted that nice silver. I love the contrast, looks great. Here, check it out. The screens, space gray interior, has a nice contrast, really a big fan of it. Looks great.
Got the little graphics.
Gonna have to probably change his tires out. We're gonna drag race. I don't know about these Goodyears. They're gonna stick too good. But thinking about blackout roof, some black act. It looks good. It's good. I have my own. I'm excited. I don't know why it feels different. It's my own car now. Hood struts. Woo! So again, it's not a performance pack, so there's no obviously over the top strut bar, but you still have the nice kind of faux carbon fiber cover. 4th gen 5.0. Take a look. All right, guys, well, we are in Papa Smurf. I know you hate the name, but welcome to my first ever Grabber Blue Mustang, and it is fitting the S650 2024. I'm driving it all the way back home from Kentucky, 8 hours, getting my braking miles in. But I know what you came here for. I didn't want to just give you a delivery video. We're gonna go right into drag racing this beast. One problem though, I don't think those Goodyears are gonna hook the way they should. This is the baseline. We're gonna get a baseline. We're gonna drag race it 2-3 times, find out where we stand on this 2024 Mustang GT 5.0 non-performance pack. No, not an 8-second at 124, but 12.3 at 116 for the Papa Smurf baseline for the 2024 Mustang quarter mile. So we're gonna have so much fun. We're going to do so much more with mods and power and performance. The whole journey begins, and I'm super excited. Thank you to everyone who's followed the journey, and now it's time to have fun. It's time to race. Enough talking. Let's get to drag racing. And she's home. That looks so good. Papa Smurf. All right, it's the next morning. Just got home after a 9-hour drive from Kentucky back to Jersey with this beautiful Grabber Blue S650 50 GT non-performance pack. But what we do have is these awesome Grabber Blue upgraded Brembos. It does have the 10-speed. It does have 355 upgraded gears. Space gray interior, looking great. And just some cool things I noticed about the S650 compared to the S550. Got a little Easter egg there. Take a look at this right here. The spoiler, this is 2 pieces. So you don't have the cottage cheese like I've done my S550. You can take this spoiler piece off right here easily, and then it's just 2 pieces. So here it is. So more to come. Yeah, this is great. This is great. This is great. Wow. Was it?
Oh.
Oh wow.
Down the turnpike. Oh yeah.
Wow. Well, awesome. I'm driving this from Myrtle Beach Monday, so this is gonna be for Mustang Week.
Oh. Oh yeah, they got a rally down there.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
You want to park here?
Yeah, I'll leave it here. I want to just do a video around it, and
They recreated the slide brake, but it doesn't. It's electronic.
wow.
Remember the old ones used to pull up and fishtail with it? Oh
Wow,
man.
awesome.
This car's cool.
This is something else. Dark Horse, guys, is here. Jeez. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how in the heck is a Dark Horse here? You just got the Papa Smurf car. Well, let me tell you what happened. My personal Dark Horse, for some reason, is stuck in the plant. So at the time, I didn't know that Papa Smurf was going to be here. And I hit up Ford and I said, listen, I have Mustang Week coming and I need a car because I have a lot of supporters over there, sponsors, fans who want to see the car. So shout out to Ford. They said, you know what? We're going to send you a Dark Horse. So a Dark Horse is coming to Mustang Week. We're going to have some fun content with it. Eventually ours is coming. But for right now, it's just the way the world works and the grace of God that we now have a Dark Horse and Papa Smurf is here. So can't wait to showcase this to you. So much fun. Let's go. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see. All right. Never ends. Okay, so just looking at this car as it's here, this is a obviously blue ember. Sorry for the Acadia bugs, they're so loud, but blue ember, Dark Horse. Look at this paint. Just take a look at this paint in the sun, guys. Looks great. 500 horsepower. You have the nice indigo blue interior. Stick shift Tremec from the 350 upgraded. Wow. Jeez, this is a premium vehicle. Nice boy, and it's good to see the difference between that and the GT. Take a look. Jeez, these exhaust tips are massive. but we will compare this to a 350. A lot of you guys had that, so that's what we have here. The dark horse is here. That's how you got here. Now let's go compare it to a GT350. All right, guys, what a crazy turn of events. How the heck did we end up in this dark horse, and we had Papa Smurf within a 24-hour span? So like I mentioned before, our dark horse is delayed. I told Ford, I didn't know I was even getting a GT. I said I need a car for Mustang week. They sent me this dark horse, which is basically my spec, but a stick shift. And here we go. We're gonna make content. I can't wait. Tell me what you want to see. Drag racing is back. And again, we possibly could dyno this too to see what it does. I know there's been some controversy with Steeda, and their car was like 410 wheel, and then the Middletown Motorsports car made 440 wheel, but that was stick shift because they got able to ring it out more, a true sense of power. But listen, we don't keep cars stock here. Stock is just, you know, it's fun for a few months. We're waiting for that Whipple to come out. We're waiting for the tuners to figure this thing out, and then we're gonna send it, because stock is good, don't get me wrong, you know, but as you could, if you notice and you've been following the channel, I ain't about that warranty life. So, but no, this car is great from the factory. It's a fun car around town. You know, you're not gonna be beating a supercharged V8 in it, but it's fun. It's peppy. It's around town. Is it pricey? Yes. I'm not gonna try to tell you it's not pricey. This is a pricey vehicle, the dark horse. But if you can swing it, I would get that over at GT, just because it's got that premium feel, that vibe. You know, I'm loving the rev match. I'm just loving the way the whole package set up. Woo! That rear valance, the big quad tips. Oh man, even the dark horse symbol, it's really grown on me. It's so like vibrant and massive. Woo! And this has flat foot shifting, even though I didn't demonstrate it there. So this does have flat foot shifting, and just some extra things with it. And I got a chance to track this and drive it, and I would say if you can get this, now this particular one isn't the performance pack, so you're still in that $60,000 wheelhouse. So I think this is a good example of a dark horse that you would get, especially if you're like me, who don't really track, but want the premium, you know, what am I trying to say? You want the premium vibe of a newer Mustang over the GT. You're probably gonna boost it later, but you got that, you know, Shelby-esque feel of a dark horse. And the graphics, the paint quality, this Blue Ember, especially in the sunlight, the pure sunlight, because I only saw it at car shows, is so, it's just stunning. It reminds me of the 0304 Cobra, Mystic Chrome kind of style. It looks dark at night, obviously, but in the daylight, it really comes to fruition. This is a specific buyer for the dark horse, and if you fall into that category of, you're like me, mid to late 30s, maybe older, you want a premium feel over the GT, you're probably gonna boost it later, I would get the dark horse. If you're gonna go, hey, I just wanna go fast, I'd probably get S550. But if you want the tech and everything, now the new look, get this and just wait. Let guinea pigs like me screw it up and tell you the right or wrong thing to do, and then you can make a decision. But that's what's happening right now. I wanted to give, this is just a kind of intro video, what's happening. Oh man, it's so good. I can't wait. So much fun content to have in store for you. And guys, our giveaway, the Mach 1 is live on 3supply.com. We're adding new merch every second as we speak. And just to give you the heads up, 100 times bonus entries is live. That will never ever be that high again for the rest of the giveaway, guaranteed. This is our fastest giveaway ever, so there's not gonna be no 1,000 entries, bonus entry, no fight. It is 100, is launch week, it's live. Get in while it's hot on 3supply.com. Win the 69 real Mach 1. It's a real Mach 1 in that beautiful Gulfstream aqua blue color. Can be yours. This is a little preview video. We got so much to do. drag racing, dyno, mods, racing. Hit me up, follow me, subscribe, because you know it never ends. Peace. A little rev action.